Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Atlanta Falcon Nation, what it do, what it do? It's your boy Kstylz coming through with my Atlanta Falcons bird word of the week. Now, what word could I use to describe what this team needs in order for this victory against Carolina this Sunday? Heart. Why I say heart? Because from the devastation that we saw against Green Bay, was the one thing that it looked like from our eyes was that the Falcons had no heart in this game at all. And what I also saw was it was nobody holding each other accountable for nothing. Boy, you thought they were listening to Kanye West Heartless, because we didn't see none on the stage. Now, in order for the Falcons to show heart in this game, they're going to have to put this 0-4 skid behind them, start over from square one, and play consistently through the adversity. Because right now, a lot of people's asses is on the line as we speak. And especially against a division opponent like Carolina, who is doing pretty well without Christian McCaffrey right now. But hopefully we can change those fortunes and get this dub that we so desperately need. Man, at this rate, the Falcons might as well start an OnlyFans page, because they are getting fucked physically and mentally by this season so far. But definitely there is a ceiling that they can reach. You can't get no lower than where you at now. You can only go up from here. Now, what my prediction of the score would be, honestly, I can't give you a score, because all I want is the win. It don't matter what the damn score is. It could be 31-28. It could be 24-21. Hell, they could win 10-3 for all I care. But this is a quick one with your boy Kstylz. Also, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.